Dr. Health for all. Trust, believe and try.
Gram flour is used in lots of dishes. Apart from eating, there are many benefits of gram flour for our skin also. Today I will elaborate benefits of gram flour for normal oily and dry skin. Let's have a look. 1. For normal skin type. For a fresh start, daily wash your face with gram flour. Add milk or rose water in it and make a paste. Place it in your jar on your wash basin and scrub your face daily in the morning for an instant glow and freshness. 2. For oily skin type. People who have complaint of oily skin, they should try this. Add tomato juice in gram flour and make paste and wash your face daily with it. There will be no more oily skin throughout the day. 3. For dry skin type. Add almond oil and some milk in gram flour, make a paste and apply it on your face for 15 minutes and see the magic. It is a very good remedy of dry skin in winters. Give these tips a try and then visit our comments section to let us know. Did you receive relief? Did the miracle happen? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.